Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix ChatGPT too many request error on iPhone. If you see this message while you're using the app, it means ChatGPT is getting hit with the rapid queries, but don't worry, here's how to clear it up fast. First of all, stop sending new messages for at least 30 to 60 seconds. The error usually happens when too many requests are sent in a short time, either manually or through a bug. Next, close the ChatGPT app completely. Swipe off from the find the app and swipe it away to fully reset the session. Next, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to make sure the requests aren't failing because of a bad connection. Next, go ahead and open your settings app and then search for Safari, and then scroll down and clear history web and data to clear Safari cookies. This removes caged seasons that may be repeatedly sending stuck requests. Now, in the last, what you're gonna do is restart your iPhone to clear background glitches, then reopen the ChatGPT app and try again slowly, and that's it. Privacy tip: only use the official ChatGPT app or website. Some third-party tools can trigger repeated background requests without you realizing, causing this error. And then quick fix: if the error keeps on popping up, log in to chat.openai.com in Safari, wait a couple of minutes, then return to the app. If it still persists, delete the app and reinstall ChatGPT app to reset everything fully, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.